Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on SMS alerts on Amazon. This is a great way to stay updated on your orders, deals, and important account notifications directly through text messages on your phone. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to enable these alerts. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account dashboard where you can manage all your Amazon settings and preferences. Now that you're on your account page, scroll down through the various sections until you find Communication Preferences. This is where Amazon gives you control over how and when they contact you. Click on Communication Preferences to open up the settings for managing your notifications and alerts. You'll notice several tabs at the top of this section. Look for the one labeled Account and Shipping and make sure you're on that tab. Here you'll see various communication options. Click on Turn on WhatsApp. While this might seem unexpected for SMS alerts, Amazon uses WhatsApp as one of their primary messaging channels for notifications, which works similarly to SMS for keeping you informed about your account activity. Next, shift your focus to the left sidebar where you'll see different categories for communication settings. Click on Deals and Recommendations. This section controls how Amazon notifies you about special offers, personalized deals, and product recommendations that might interest you based on your shopping history. Within the Deals and Recommendations section, you'll again see the option to turn on WhatsApp. Go ahead and click this to enable notifications for deals and offers. By activating this, you'll start receiving timely alerts about flash sales, limited time offers, and personalized recommendations straight to your messaging app. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled messaging alerts on Amazon, ensuring you'll stay in the loop about your orders and never miss out on great deals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.